How to view your transaction purchase history on Roblox mobile. Hello and welcome back to our channel. And let's get started. Can you view your transaction history on Roblox mobile app? The answer is no. Unfortunately, this feature is not available on Roblox mobile app. But you can easily access this feature on Roblox website version. So go ahead and open your phone browser and go to roblox.com. You'll see the option Continue in app. Well, you'll have to ignore this option and click on the option Continue in browser. Now here you can see your transaction and purchase history. Follow keenly to find out how you can do this. At the top right side of the page, you have the gear icon and next to it is the Roblox icon. Tap on this icon and now here you have the three options. They are Buy Roblox, My Transaction and Redeem Roblox Code. From the option Tap My Transaction and here you'll see a summary of all of your transaction and purchase history on Roblox. Under data range, you can choose from which date you want to receive your transaction history and that is how you can view your transaction purchase history on Roblox mobile. Thank you all for watching it till the end and stay tuned till our next upload.